Advisory Day for private enterprises which are supplying products to the European Union countries or plan to make export was held on June 14th at the Mongolian National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The event was organized for the first time under the EU Trade-Related Assistance to Mongolia project with the support of EU. Last year, Mongolia's exports to the EU totaled 67 million euro. 40% of which was non-value-added semi-finished products. Cooperation between Mongolia and EU started in 2005, and Mongolia is eligible to export 7,200 items tax-free to the European market. However, only few products such as knitwear, carpet, and semi-finished leather are being exported.
I think on this normal, I would say subsequent, consistent approach by the European Union, it's actually designed to increase the capacity of the Mongolian authorities, of the Mongolian exporters, to take full benefit of the general system of preferences plus what Mongolia benefits in promoting the exports on the European Union market tax-free. And additionally, what I would like to add is that this is an excellent opportunity for the Mongolian companies, particularly for the small and medium-sized enterprises that are very much engaged on high-quality value-added exports, to take additional information on how they can benefit of those possibilities and to increase their export capabilities on the European Union market.
Well, what we're hoping for is there'll be a wider range of products that will be exported to the European Union from the non-mining sector. I mean, I think one important thing to note about the EU TRAM project is that we're looking to help support the diversification of the Mongolian economy.
Therefore, the participants of the event stressed the need to increase the types of products for the EU market export, which accounts for 16% of the world imports.